Now let us learn the uses of the definite article the, friends. The uses of the, let us learn. And here the is used before epics, religious books. Before the names of epics and religious books. Epics are Mahabharata, the Mahabharata, and the and before religious books, the Ramayana epic, and the Gita, religious book, the Bible, religious book, the Quran, religious books, the Mahabharata. So before the names of epics as well as religious books, we use the. And before unique things which are very rare in this universe, rare things, the sun, the moon, the sky, the earth, the North Pole. The is used before the unique things. These are all the unique things. And before the names of mountain ranges, rivers, oceans, seas, gulfs, groups of islands, deserts, and groups of countries also, united countries also. Let us see the example. The Himalayas. Himalayas is a mountain range with a number of hills. The Himalayas. The Ganga. Before the names of rivers, the Ganga, the Godavari, the Thames, the Atlantic Sea, the Bay of Bengal, the USA. This is United Countries. It is formed out of a number of countries. Before them we use the USA, the United States of America, the UK, United Kingdom. Before formation of number of countries together, we use the before that. The UK, the Amazon, the Persian Gulf, the British Isles. So before all these, all of them, we use the. Okay, before mountain ranges, rivers, oceans, seas, gulfs, groups of islands, deserts, and united countries. With superlatives, we use the superlative degree. The lion is the most ferocious animal. The lion is the most ferocious animal. The most ferocious animal. The lion is always ready to attack other animals. So that is called ferocious, aggressive animal. And here most is a superlative form. Before most we use the. In superlative degrees we use the before that. The tallest, the greatest, the most beautiful, and the sharpest, and the like. Samantha is the most beautiful heroine. Samantha is the most beautiful heroine. The most beautiful, most superlative form. Before that the is used. Rakul is the most glamorous heroine. Amisha Patel is the most charismatic heroine. These are all superlative degrees. We use the before them. So the most. And indicate a class with adjectives. Before adjectives we use the, that indicates the whole class, indicates the whole group. For example, the rich are becoming richer. The rich are becoming richer. The rich indicates all the rich people, refers to the whole class of rich people. So rich is an adjective. Before adjective we use the. The rich means refers to the whole group, the whole class, all the rich people. The poor suffer a lot. The poor suffer a lot. The poor refers to all the poor people, the whole class of poor people. She serves the blind. She serves the blind, all the blind people. She serves all the blind people. And sixth one is an adverb with a double comparative, degree. The is used as an adverb, before a comparative. The higher you go, the colder it becomes. The higher you go, the colder it becomes. The higher is a comparative form, comparative degree. Before that we use the higher. So the is an adverb here. The higher you go, the colder it becomes. The colder is a comparative form. Before that we use the. Before double comparative. The higher, the colder. So the is used before double comparative as an adverb. The more you work, the more you gain. The more is a comparative form. The more you work, the more you gain. The more. So the is used before the comparative degrees, double comparative as an adverb. So this is how we use the. Let us learn the remaining usages. Let us see. Before a proper noun to make it a common noun. The is used before a proper noun to make it a common noun. For example, Kalidasa is the Shakespeare of India. Kalidasa is the Shakespeare of India. If we say Shakespeare, refers to that dramatist, the world famous dramatist. And if we say the Shakespeare, it becomes a common noun. Shakespeare is a proper noun, the Shakespeare is a common noun. That means Kalidasa is like Shakespeare in India. In India, Kalidasa is like Shakespeare. Kalidasa is as great as Shakespeare in India. That is the meaning of. Similarly, the Shakespeare, common noun. Rajesh is the Tendulkar of our team. Rajesh is the Tendulkar of our team. In our team, Rajesh plays just like Tendulkar. Rajesh plays like Tendulkar. He is like Tendulkar in our team. Like Tendulkar. He plays very well, excellently, like Tendulkar in our team. Common noun. If we say Tendulkar, refers to that Tendulkar, a great batsman. Like that Tendulkar means it becomes a common noun. Rajesh is the Tendulkar of our team. So before proper nouns, in this special case, the is used before proper nouns. Generally, the is not used before proper nouns. And next one, before a noun when it is particularized. When we talk about a particular thing or a particular person, we have to use the before it. Before. This is the chain I lost yesterday. This is the chain I lost yesterday. The chain, that particular chain I lost yesterday. We are pointing out or referring to that particular chain which we lost yesterday. So here, this is the chain I lost yesterday. The Shakespeare. And that particular. He is the man who stole my bracelet. He is the man who stole my bracelet. He is the man. He is the man. That particular man who stole my bracelet. We are referring to that particular person. So we use the before the man. Man. He is the man who stole my bracelet. Before particulars we use the. Next one is before ordinal numbers. Numbers are of two types, cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Cardinal means 1, 2, 3, 4 are cardinal numbers. Ordinal numbers means first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Before ordinal numbers we use the. And before first, second, third and some other words like middle, top, end, next, center, etc. Before these words we use the. And Mahesh is in the middle of the crowd. Mahesh is in the middle of the crowd. Before middle we used the. Mahesh is in the middle of the crowd. And Nehru is the first Prime Minister of India. Nehru is the first Prime Minister of India. Nehru is the first. The first, the second, the third. Before them we use the. In the middle, on the top of the building, in the end, at the end, and the next, the center, and the like. The is used before these words. Next one. Before musical instruments. Before musical instruments we use the. He can play the guitar. He can play the guitar. Guitar is a musical instrument. That's why the guitar. Similarly, the sitar, the flute, the violin. And before musical instruments we use the. And before the names of inventions, human body and articles of clothing, we use the. The microscope. The microscope. It is an invention, technology, gadget. The shoulders, parts of the body. The mobile phone, gadget. The head. Similarly, before them we use the. The telescope enables us to see the distant stars. The telescope. The telescope. The telescope enables us to see the distant stars. Telescope is an invention, gadget, technological gadget. So the Raghu hit him on the head, part of the body, on the head. Who invented the mobile phone? Who invented the mobile phone, technological gadget, the mobile phone, the cell phone and the like. Before these we use the. And before the following names, museum, station, cathedral, zoo, cinema, etc. Before them we use the. I visited the zoo last month. I visited the zoo. I visited the zoo last month. And are you going to the cinema today? Are you going to the cinema today? Are you going to the cinema? To the cinema today. And she went to the museum. She went to the museum. She went to the museum. So this is how we use the before the following words actually. And let us see generally at the end of it. Let us observe this paragraph so that we can understand where to use a, an and the. What is the difference? Generally, any paragraph starts like this. A bus hit a lamp post. The bus was damaged and the lamp post bent. Luckily, the people in the bus had no serious injuries. Did you observe, children? You see, first of all, he started with a bus. A bus, some bus, we don't know. It's not a particular bus. A bus, some bus. A bus hit a lamp post. Hit a lamp post. A bus, a lamp post. Hit a lamp post. Some lamp post. We don't know which one that is, where it is. Not a particularized. And whereas from the second sentence onwards, we are talking about this particular bus and this particular lamp post. So that's why here he said the bus. Here the bus. The bus, because we are talking about that particular bus. The bus was damaged. The bus, that particular bus was damaged. And the lamp post. And the lamp post bent. And the lamp post, that particular lamp post was bent. Luckily, the people, because we are referring to the people in that particular bus. The people in that particular bus. So the people in the bus had no serious injuries. So in the beginning, we used a. Before a bus, a lamp post. Because some bus, not a particular age. From the second sentence onwards, we used the. Because we are talking particularly about that bus, that lamp post, the people in that particular bus. So this is how articles will be used. I hope that you understood all the articles, where to use a, an and the. All the rules are explained. So you can follow all the rules, my dear friends. So these are very, very useful. Next, let us see. Definition of the article, the. The is not used before some places, before some words actually. Let us see where the is not used. Omission, where we omit the. Before proper nouns. Proper nouns means names of all people, names of all places, names of all things. And before proper nouns we don't use the. And Narendra Modi is an inspiring and a charismatic leader. Narendra Modi is an inspiring and a charismatic leader. Charismatic. He has a great power of attracting people, power of arresting people. So Narendra Modi is a proper noun. That's why before that we didn't use the. The is not used before the proper noun Narendra Modi. And Amaravati is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Amaravati is the name of a place. So the is not used here. Is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is a proper noun. Before that we didn't use the. So the is not used before proper nouns. And before material nouns and abstract nouns used in a general sense. Before material nouns, names of materials, we don't use the. Before the names of materials, we don't use the. Gold, silver, bronze, iron, copper. Before them we don't use the. And abstract nouns. Abstract nouns means a noun which abstract noun which doesn't have any particular shape or form. Abstract nouns means our qualities, virtues, feelings. So before them we don't use the. Here gold is a costly metal. The gold is wrong. Gold is a costly metal. And iron is a useful metal. Iron. We should not say the iron. The iron. Iron is a useful metal. Iron, material name. Gold, material. We should not use the before them. Patience is a great virtue. Patience is a great virtue. Patience is an abstract noun, a quality. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is a quality, abstract noun. So, the is not used before material nouns and abstract nouns. Before names of diseases, we don't use the before the names of diseases. He is suffering from coronavirus. Suffering from coronavirus. Not used the. Mr. Kaushik has diabetes. Diabetes is the name of a disease. Not the is not used here. Kaushik has diabetes. Before places visited for their primary purpose. Before these words we don't use the when they are visited for their primary purpose. School, college, hospital, market, prison, church, bed, table, etc. Generally, we don't use the before these words actually. When we go to those places for a primary purpose. Primary purpose means we go to school. Why do we go to school? To study. If to study means we should not use the before school. I go to school every day. I go to college every day. I go to hospital. I go to library. We should not use the before them. This is the primary purpose. Primary purpose is for school to study. Temple to pray to God. Hospital to take treatment. If that is the purpose, that is called as primary purpose. If for primary purpose we are going to that place, we don't use the before them. Examples. Ramya goes to college every day. Ramya goes to college every day. Here goes to college. Before college, the is not used because she goes to college to study. Primary purpose. She goes to college for a primary purpose. Primary purpose is to study. That's why the is not used before college. Soumya goes to church on Sundays. Goes to church. Not the is not used before church because primary purpose to pray to God. And similarly, note. The is used when the purpose is secondary. If we are going to the same places with a different purpose, if the purpose is different, if our purpose is a separate purpose, different purpose, we use the before them. For example, the college is not far from my house. The college. Here it is college means building, not for studies. Building, it indicates building. The college is not far from my house. Here the is used before college because secondary purpose. Here it indicates building, not for study. I went to the hospital to meet my friend. I went to the hospital. We used the here before hospital. Because why we went there to meet my friend. I went to the hospital to meet my friend. Purpose is secondary. A different purpose, that is to meet my friend, not to take a treatment. If I want to take a treatment, I should not use the before hospital. So, she walked towards the church. She walked towards the church. The church. Before church, the is used because here it means a building, not for praying, not for praying God. She walked towards the church. I went to the school to pick up my children. I went to the school. Here the is used because not for studies. To pick up my children. I went to the school to pick up my children. The purpose is secondary. The purpose is different purpose, not to study. So when the purpose is secondary, we use the before those places, those words. If the purpose is primary, we don't use the before those words. And before languages, meals, relations, games, festivals, colors, etc., we don't use the before these words. For example, he doesn't know Tamil. He doesn't know Tamil. Tamil is a language. Before the names of languages, we don't use the. I have had my lunch. I have had my lunch. Lunch is the name of a meals. Before names of meals, we don't use the. When will your uncle be back? Your uncle, names of relations. Before them, we don't use the. Deepavali comes after Durga Puja. Deepavali is the name of a festival. So not used the. The is not used before the festivals. Deepavali comes after Durga Puja. Before Durga Puja, the is not used. So friends, this is how we use an article. I hope that you understood all the articles, where to use a and the. And so definitely this class, this video will definitely help you, enrich you, and help you to write the sentences correctly. So I hope that this video is very useful to all school and college children. So once again I request you all to like my channel and share it to as many as friends, to all your friends and groups, and subscribe my channel friends. Thank you very much for watching my video.